What's going on YouTube? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. In today's video, I'm getting to collaborate with my barbecue brother Daryl at Bad Beast BBQ. If you haven't checked him out already, make sure you do. I'll have his information down below in the description box. For today's collaboration, we're making wings. Hashtag just wing it is the hashtag for the collaboration. And I snagged some new sauce from my local grocery store yesterday. For this collaboration, it caught my attention, called Mango Ginger Habanero sauce. I had never tried it before, so I did a trial run yesterday just to make sure that I liked the flavors that it had. And even though it says habanero, it didn't have enough heat for me, so today I made sure to snag me a little bit of my trusty friend Sriracha, just to kick those heat levels up, and that's just a personal preference. But to make sure that we've got our flavors and everything that we want for these wings, we're going to be using some John Boys Fajita rub, which is awesome stuff if you haven't used it. All this stuff together is going to put a beautiful color on these wings. It's going to make the skin crisp up nicely, and these are going to be some really flavorful wings. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. I don't got anything else to say, guys. Let's get these wings rolling. All right, it is wing time. Let's make it happen. Here's our wings. We got some flats and drumettes, so we're just going to put them into our bowl here. This will just make it easier to get these bad boys seasoned up. I love me some wings. What is your favorite style wing? Do you like lemon pepper? Do you like spicy, just original salt, pepper, garlic? Let me wash my hands off real quick. So for us today, we're going to be using the John Boys Fajita rub that I mentioned earlier. And this has a nice savory flavor to it, followed up with an awesome citrus note that's going to go great on these chicken wings. So we're going to put a healthy amount of seasoning in our bowl here, and then we'll start mixing these around and make sure we get seasoning on everything. This is a trick right here to make sure your skin crisps up well and you get that beautiful color on them. So you just want to move them around and be sure you get all these edges and everything. This rub smells awesome already. You could use this on a lot of things, not just fajitas obviously. It's perfect on these chicken wings. You could even probably use it on a brisket, I'd wager, and it would still be good. So let's see here. Get that seasoned up. Nothing too crazy, just getting some rub on some chicken wings. So I'm going to go ahead and finish seasoning these bad boys up. Then I'll show you how we put them on the grill and get to cooking. Alright, we got the baby Weber heated up, and we're not really sure exactly what temperature we're rolling, but I'd wager somewhere around 400 degrees. These wings are going to have a nice skin on them, nice crispy skin. We're just going to trickle some apple wood chips in here. For our smoke there, that's going to go perfect. That's going to go perfect with these wings. There we go. Get on in there. Now it's time to get these beauties on. Let me show y'all what that's looking like. Look at that color from that seasoning. That's that John Boys. Link will be down below in the description box, guys. Check it out. Let's put these on. Here, a nice sizzle. We're gonna put these bigger guys, the drumettes, closer to the heat so they can cook quicker. And we'll put most of our flats behind those. And we'll touch these up now that we got them onto the grill. Let's swap these. Just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it again with the John Boys Fajita. Just to get a nice coating on it. Again, that's gonna help with the skin. So we're gonna shut this down with our vent on the side where our meat is and let that smoke flow over them. And we'll check on these in 15 minutes. Alright, let's put this simple but flavorful sauce together. I decided we were going to put a little bit of light soy sauce in there as well, just to kind of loosen it up a bit and add another depth of flavor. And next we're going to hit it with a little bit of our Sriracha. There we go. I'd say that's about a spoonful. Mix that around. And add a little bit more of our mango habanero ginger. There we go. All right, we got about 5 minutes till we check on those wings. I'll see y'all in a little bit. These are looking insane. Look at the color from this sauce. Smells awesome. It's got a nice kick to it, so if you don't like real hot, dial the Sriracha back or don't put it in at all. Add something else. Make your own sauce. That's what's fun about wings. It's literally a good thing to try all kinds of flavors on. Those are looking awesome already. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish saucing these up, and then I'll catch back up with y'all in 15 more minutes. It's been 15 minutes later. It's time to look at these wings here. Woo! Those are looking awesome. They got about 5 more minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and get them some sauce for these last 5 minutes just to make sure we're not missing any flavor. Man, these are gorgeous. Got the applewood rolling, smelling awesome. I'm excited for these wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish saucing these up, and then I'll pull them off in about 5 minutes, and then we'll give them a taste. All right, here we have it. We've got our beautiful, awesome looking chicken wings, guys. Look at that skin and that crust. Nice color, beautiful color. And we've got our carrots and celery. You know, you gotta have that with your wings, with your old classic ranch. I've got some drumettes right here, and these are flats. These are my favorite, so that's what I got set up on this plate. And I wanna go ahead and give a try of one of these flats just by itself without dipping it in anything. They've been resting for about 15 minutes or so. They're still warm, but here we go. Wow. 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 Those are awesome. You still taste that ginger real forward, but that Sriracha really shows up. So we got some nice heat in there. I'm happy about that. And you got that sweetness from the mango. That's a good wing right there. And now let's give a drumette the try. Look at the crust on that, the char. Beautiful color. Look at that. Beautiful. Cheers, y'all. Wow. So good. Really awesome, full of flavor, messy, sticky, awesome tasting wings. Let's go ahead and dip them in some ranch here. Nice cooling factor. They've got some heat. These are awesome, guys. I highly suggest you give them a shot. Again, if you don't want them as spicy, dial that heat level back. But if you do, these are really good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and that bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Don't forget, go check out Brother Daryl at Bad Beast BBQ. This is a collaboration, Just Wing It, with Bad Beast BBQ over there. His information will be down below in the description box, as well as everything else that we use today. Again, guys, I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing. Ooh, doggy.